You bought the gifts. You answered every late-night call. You gave her your loyalty, your time, your whole heart. And still, she pulled away. Why? Because women don't stay for what you do. They stay for what they feel when they're with you. That's the raw truth. Most men pour themselves into the wrong currency, convinced that if they give more love, more sacrifice, more of everything, they'll earn her forever. But Stoic philosophy reminds us, effort without wisdom is empty. Love without awareness is pain. And chasing someone who's emotionally checked out, that's self-betrayal. This isn't about tricks. This is about transformation. Let's explore the Stoic truth about loyalty. The emotional gravity that keeps someone close. Not the favors you perform. Today, most men live by one story. Provide. Protect. Give more. And sure, there's nothing wrong with devotion or generosity. But too many confuse self-sacrifice with value. Here's the reality. Women live in emotions. Their loyalty isn't earned by effort. It's earned by energy. Seneca once wrote, "We suffer more often in imagination than in reality." And the man who overgives, he lives in a quiet, constant ache. She doesn't leave because of what you did. She drifts because something inside her shifted. Maybe boredom. Maybe someone else sparked her attention. Maybe the polarity faded. Loyalty is emotional, not logical. So let's go deeper. 1. Loyalty isn't a transaction. You can't list your deeds and say, "I did this and this, so stay with me." Her heart doesn't count. Her heart feels. What matters is polarity. The way your masculine presence anchors her. It's not gifts. Not pleading. Not long-winded explanations. It's the unspoken magnetism. A man who stays grounded. A man who holds himself with quiet strength. Even under pressure. Even when tested. Stoicism teaches you to master yourself. Your thoughts. Your actions. Your emotions. Not hers. And when you do, she feels something deeper than attention. She feels your essence. 2. More effort doesn't mean more respect. In fact, it often earns the opposite. The more you chase someone emotionally distant, the more they devalue your effort. Not because they're mean, but because people instinctively overlook what's too easy to have. It's unfair. It's counterintuitive. But it's real. So if she's pulling back, and you chase harder, you are only draining your own strength. 3. Emotional stability is rare. You know what stands out. A man who stays calm. A man who doesn't need to explain or justify himself. A man who doesn't react out of insecurity. A man who walks away when disrespected. Not to punish, but to protect his peace. That's Stoic. That's magnetic. 4. The issue isn't her. The issue is what you allow. When you tolerate disrespect. When you make excuses for her indifference. You're telling yourself it's okay. But a Stoic man doesn't cling to a burning house. He doesn't wait forever on empty potential. He simply accepts reality. And moves onward. So what do high-value men do? They don't overshare. They observe. They don't chase validation. They radiate presence. They don't react emotionally. They respond with calm authority. They don't stay where they're diminished. They leave. And when a woman senses that you are your own emotional foundation, she leans in. She stays not because you did more, but because she feels something rare in you. So here's your path. 1. Pull back when you feel drained. Not when she finally notices. 2. Stop proving. Start being. 3. Let your silence speak where your words once begged. Let her feel the absence of your presence. Not because you're playing games, but because you're finished performing. Remember Marcus Aurelius. Waste no more time arguing what a good man ought to be one. You don't need to chase her. You don't need to decode her. You just need to return to yourself.